severe thunderstorm warning for north central Benton County and northwest Arkansas until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Bella Vista and moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour.
Those of you in Branson, sorry to cut into this EAS alert, but those of you in Branson, right now, take your shelter precautions. I am warning you from Wisconsin. Watching the storm explode, it is moving towards Branson, moving northeast. Take cover now, tornado warning supercell right now.